Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I'm back again with another exciting video. First of all, happy new year to everyone, and we got something really exciting to unbox and explore today. It's the DJI Action 4 camera. Okay, then let's dive right into it. So this is the DJI Action 4 camera with the adventure combo pack, which include the cameras and some extra accessories. There are different combo packs which include different extras with it, which is suitable for different application. And obviously you can buy the camera by itself as well. The packaging looks sleek and compact, which is typical of DJI obviously, and you can find the image of Action 4 on the front, and on the back there's some brief overview of some key features and the accessories which is included with the pack. Okay, then let's unbox the package and see what's actually inside this one. This is wrapped actually really well, and it's really hard for me to do everything by one hand because I'm filming with my other hand. Let's see how it goes. As I said before, the packaging is actually really well made. It's really good. The quality is actually good. It has the same feel as when you're unboxing an Apple product. So DJI, thumbs up, and you have nailed it. See, this even has something similar to the Apple pull tab. So when you open this one, since this is actually the combo pack, you can see two packaging, one for the Action 4 camera and other include all the accessories that is included with this adventure combo pack. Then you can find the external rod that is included with this combo package. Let's do a very quick unboxing of this accessories pack, and then I will give you a rundown of each item that is included in this box. Guys, these are the things that you will be getting when you purchase the DJI Action 4 Adventure Combo Pack. You are getting an external rod with 1.5 meter extension where you can attach your Action 4 camera and use it as a selfie stick. You also get a curved adhesive base and a USB-C to USB-C cable. There is lens hood as well. You also get two magnetic mounts, one mini and one regular, so you can use it in different situations, and I will show you how this works because this is really important, and this is one of the best features that I find in Action 4 when compared to any Action cameras. You also get two screws to attach these magnetic mounts to an external rod or any other supporting accessories. This adventure combo pack also included a protective cover to your Action 4 camera so you can use it in very harsh, adventurous situations. At last, in terms of accessories, you get 3 batteries and 1 charging case, and this charging case can be used to charge all the 3 batteries at once. And this is why I love this combo pack, because you need actually extra batteries, and because when you go outside, when you record it in 4K 60Hz, it will drain the battery of your camera, and you need to have extra batteries with you. And since you are capable of charging everything at once, it's also a huge benefit. And also, this charging case, when you put the batteries, you can charge any other devices using the USB-C cable. And guys, this is the DJI Action 4 camera. The build quality of this camera is exceptional. Even the accessories are built really well. DJI Action 4 camera is capable of recording 4K 60Hz video, and the videos are amazing, and there are different settings that you can set up to have a very good quality. On my next video, I will show some samples of the footage that I took from this camera and the settings that you can have to improve the quality of the videos that you can take from the camera. Here are some features of this DJI Action 4 camera. So thanks for joining with me today. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel as well and give me some support. We'll see you all back again with another video. Until then, stay safe. Cheers.